News 8 at 6 starts now.
Good evening, everyone. At 6 o'clock, I'm Phil Sanchez. Brooke is off tonight. And first tonight, Fountain County has seen a huge spike in coronavirus cases. The county even listed as a hotspot by the State Board of Health. Fountain County is also where our I-Team-8 found the county clerk refusing to wear a mask in the office. I-Team-8's Richard Essex joins us now with more. Richard.
Well, the Fountain County clerk told me she is not wearing a mask in public because she has an exemption. There are 15 exemptions under the governor's mask mandate, and the clerk says she doesn't have to tell us which exemption she has.
Coming into the Fountain County Courthouse, you are required to wear a mask. The signs are on almost every door. There is plenty of hand sanitizer in the building, and most all of the people working the early voting polls are following COVID-19 health guidelines by wearing a mask and keeping socially distanced from one another. The county clerk, Paula Copenhaver, the person in charge of the election, is not wearing a mask.
There are exemptions under the governor's mandate, and if somebody has an exemption, it's none of my business as to why they're not wearing a mask.
Why are you not wearing one?
There are exemptions under the governor's mandate.
She wouldn't say what exemptions applied to her situation, but she has made some telling statements to the newspaper.
I said I am part of the government, but I will not be part of the government overreach.
She claims to not be an anti-masker and says that if people feel comfortable wearing one, then they should. I-Team-8 talked to several people exiting the courthouse that were not comfortable with the clerk's actions.
Well, Fountain County right now is one of the highest in the state of Indiana for cases.
Probably should. There's been a spike here.
The COVID-19 positivity rate in Fountain County is 18%, one of the highest in the state. The drive-up lanes for COVID-19 tests at the health department were packed on Tuesday afternoon. Tess Mylan rode her bike to get tested, while Diane and Michael Young sat in their car waiting for tests.
Yeah, so it's been a challenging couple of weeks.
Dr. Sean Surma, the county health officer, says his office has been expecting an increase in cases. He says people are finally taking the virus seriously. His office has also received a number of complaints about the clerk not following the governor's mandate.
Yeah, so I think it's short-sighted. It's an unfortunate interpretation of the restrictions to the governor's order on masking. I think that some people look for any way they can get out of safety precautions, and I think that's not what we need to be doing at this time.
I asked Copenhaver if her standing in the community as an elected official meant that she should follow the governor's mandate.
I'm not going to tell somebody that they have to wear something. That is not my job, especially as an elected official.
The county is doing contact tracing, and so far they have not found any patterns of positive cases linked to the courthouse, but they are keeping a very close eye on new cases. In the studio, Richard Essex, I-Team-8.